Mercedes has always been at the forefront of engineering innovation, constantly redefining the automotive landscape. But what if I told you their latest project has the potential to upend everything we thought we knew about the industry? This year, Mercedes is seeing major success thanks to a strong product lineup, but their latest move could be their most disruptive yet. While the rest of the world races toward electrification, Mercedes has just introduced a game-changing development, one that could shake up the EV market in ways no one expected. Mercedes' CEO has made a statement so bold that it's sending shockwaves through the entire auto industry. He claims their latest engine is so advanced, it could render EVs obsolete. This isn't just a passing remark. It's a direct challenge to the global push for full electrification. At a time when most automakers are aggressively phasing out combustion engines in favor of battery power, Mercedes is taking a completely different path, one that could rewrite the future of mobility. For years, we've been told that EVs are the only way forward, that gas-powered cars are outdated relics of the past. But what if that narrative isn't the whole truth? What if Mercedes has been quietly developing an engine so revolutionary, so efficient, that it could make full electrification seem unnecessary? This isn't just about holding on to the past or the love of a roaring engine. This is about pushing combustion technology to new, unthinkable heights. Before we dive into what makes this new engine so groundbreaking, it's important to understand how Mercedes arrived at this moment. To truly grasp the future, we need to explore the rich legacy of innovation that has defined the brand for over a century. Mercedes-Benz is more than just a car manufacturer. It's a symbol of engineering mastery, performance, and luxury. Its story began in the late 19th century when two brilliant minds, Carl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler, unknowingly laid the foundation for one of the most influential automotive brands in history. Their relentless pursuit of progress didn't just change Mercedes, it changed the world of transportation forever. The company's journey, from the first automobile to dominating motorsport and luxury car markets, demonstrates a commitment to innovation that continues today. The official founding of Mercedes-Benz happened in 1926, but its history goes back even further. Carl Benz is credited with inventing the first gasoline-powered car in 1886, the Benz patent motor wagon. This vehicle, with its lightweight frame, single-cylinder engine, and rudimentary steering system, is widely considered the first automobile in history. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach were developing their own high-speed gasoline engine, which they later installed in a carriage, effectively creating a motorized vehicle of their own. Though the two inventors worked independently at first, their paths eventually converged. In 1926, the companies founded by Benz and Daimler merged, forming Mercedes-Benz. The brand was named after Daimler's famous Mercedes models, a name inspired by the daughter of Emil Jelinek, a key investor and business partner. From this point forward, Mercedes-Benz established itself as a leader in automotive innovation, consistently pushing the boundaries of technology and design. Yet Mercedes-Benz's engineering expertise extends far beyond road cars. The company has a long and storied history in motorsport, using racing as a platform to test and develop new technology. One of the first major victories came in the early 1900s when Daimler-powered cars won prestigious events like the Gordon Bennett Cup. By the 1930s, Mercedes-Benz had established itself as a dominant force in Grand Prix racing, particularly with the legendary Silver Arrows, a nickname given to their sleek, aerodynamic race cars. The Mercedes-Benz W125, introduced in 1937, was one of the most powerful Grand Prix cars of its era, boasting a supercharged inline-eight engine that produced 646 horsepower. The Silver Arrows became an emblem of German engineering, setting records and winning numerous championships. Mercedes withdrew from motorsport after the tragic Le Mans disaster of 1955, in which a Mercedes 300 SLR crashed into the crowd, taking the lives of over 80 spectators. The engine's valve train employs dual overhead camshafts operating 4 valves per cylinder. This setup allows for precise control of valve timing and lift, optimizing airflow and combustion efficiency. The inclusion of larger exhaust valves further enhances the engine's breathing capabilities, contributing to its high specific output. Central to this strategy is the development of a next-generation 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which is expected to incorporate advanced electrification technologies, potentially in the form of a plug-in hybrid or mild hybrid system. Such integration aims to enhance performance while maintaining the distinctive characteristics that enthusiasts associate with Mercedes V8 engines. The exact specifications remain confidential, but industry insiders suggest that this powertrain could debut in upcoming models like the CL63. But you see, Mercedes' renewed focus on internal combustion engines is not merely a nostalgic nod to the past, it is a calculated response to current market dynamics. The company has observed that despite the global push toward electrification, consumer demand for EVs has not met initial projections. Factors such as high costs, limited infrastructure, and range anxiety continue to impede widespread EV adoption. By refining and advancing ICE technology, Mercedes aims to offer consumers a compelling alternative that combines traditional performance with modern efficiency, and possibly crash the EV industry, which is already falling behind. To support this initiative, Mercedes-Benz is implementing cost-cutting measures and localizing production to avoid potential trade tensions and tariffs. The company aims to reduce production costs by 10% by 2027, building upon a previous cost reduction goal of 20% between 2019 and 2025. And that's not all. One of the biggest challenges for the EV industry has been delivering the same level of performance, reliability, and convenience that combustion engines have perfected over decades. Mercedes' new engine threatens to disrupt the entire EV market because it offers a best-of-both-worlds scenario, high performance, improved fuel efficiency, and potential hybridization that eliminates range anxiety. Unlike EVs, which rely on charging infrastructure that is still underdeveloped in many regions, this new engine allows consumers to refuel quickly while still benefiting from electrification advancements. But what if there's more to this engine than Mercedes is letting on? Some insiders suggest that the company has been experimenting with ultra-efficient combustion technology that could push fuel economy to unprecedented levels, making hybrids even more practical than fully electric vehicles. Others say that Mercedes has developed a revolutionary energy recovery system that rivals the regenerative braking used in EVs, further closing the efficiency gap. If these theories hold true, this new engine might set back EV adoption by years. Automakers like Tesla and Rivian have already felt the pressure, with slowing sales and concerns about profitability. If Mercedes' strategy succeeds, other legacy manufacturers may follow suit, pivoting back to combustion technology rather than continuing the push toward full electrification. And here's the real kicker. Mercedes has yet to reveal the full extent of what this engine is capable of. In the end, do you think this shift could trigger a ripple effect across the industry, forcing even EV-first brands to reconsider their approach? Let us know in the comments.